Once upon a warm Jamaican afternoon, in a bustling town filled with reggae beats and the scent of fresh tropical air, lived a beautiful young woman named Apple. Known for her vibrant smile and kind heart, Apple was a beloved seller of Jamaican scented soaps, each bar crafted with love, infused with local herbs and fragrances that captured the essence of her island home. Every morning, Apple would set up her little stall by the busy bus stop, greeting familiar faces and sharing laughter with her customers. Her soaps weren't just products, they were pieces of her culture, her essence, her love for Jamaica. One sunny day, as the warm breeze carried the aroma of her soaps, a new bus pulled up. Out stepped Linval, a tall, friendly man with a genuine smile and eyes that sparkled like the Caribbean Sea. Linval was a bus driver who knew every corner of the island, but today, his routine was about to change. As Linval waited for his passengers, he noticed Apple's stall. The sweet scent of her soaps drew him closer. Curious, he bought a bar of her signature vanilla lime soap, and they struck up a conversation about the island, about life, about dreams. Days turned into weeks, and Linval found himself stopping by more often, not just for the soap, but for Apple's bright personality. Apple, in turn, looked forward to their chats, her heart fluttering whenever Linval greeted her with that warm smile. One evening, under a sky painted with fiery hues of orange and pink, Linval asked Apple to join him for a walk along the beach. They strolled hand in hand, the sound of the waves serenading their budding love. Linval shared stories of his journey across the island, while Apple spoke of her dreams to expand her soap business. From that moment, their connection deepened. They laughed, danced to reggae tunes, and found comfort in each other's company. Apple soaps became more than just a business. They became symbols of their love. Through the seasons, their bond grew stronger. Linval's bus routes often led him past her stall, each time bringing a small gift or a sweet word. Apple soaps became popular not only for their fragrance, but as tokens of a love that blossomed naturally, like the vibrant flowers of Jamaica. And so, under the warm Caribbean sun, Apple and Linval's love story continued to be filled with the beauty of their island, the scent of jasmine and coconut, and the promise of many more days together in paradise.